Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly prepping tools and checking pads so you can act with confidence. First, lay the sax on a soft cloth and remove the neck to reach keys easily. Then test each pad by gently pressing keys while blowing to find leaks or stickiness. Mark problem spots. Use pad paper between tone hole and pad to measure sealing. This helps you know whether to clean, adjust, or replace. Once done, proceed to targeted adjustments so you avoid guessing and save time. Now you correct action problems by tuning springs and aligning rods so keys move freely. Start with springs. Use pliers to add a small bend for tension or relieve a kink for smooth return. Make tiny changes and test repeatedly. Next, loosen pivot screws a hair to rotate and align keys, and red-iron just enough to hold motion without binding. Check key height and spacing against neighboring pads to ensure even sealing. This prevents leaks and preserves fingering consistency as you reassemble. Finish by ensuring every pad seals and keys return crisply so your sax plays reliably. Install new pads where needed, seating them carefully with minimal adhesive and even pressure. Make sure felts and corks cushion motion without raising pads off holes. Once reassembled, play through scales and check for uneven response. Adjust spring tension or key height where notes stick or leak. If a stubborn leak remains, use soapy water or a small leak detector to pinpoint the hole. Then focus repair there rather than redoing unrelated work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.